Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have a project pan update for you. I am a little behind on this, but I am also happy with my results so far. And like I've said before in the previous project pan videos this year, it's going to be a rolling project pan, so I'm constantly going to be adding products. To get started, I'm going to share with you products that are done leaving the project pan. First product up is the Milani Hypnotic Lights. This is shade number 1. I had this in the project pan. It's already drying up. I stated that I would use this up until the point where it was pretty much unusable. It's pretty much unusable right now, so that's done. Kind of same with this Believe Beauty product. It wasn't performing its best. I decided to throw it in the project pan and we'll continue to use it and see where we go from there. This is unusable right now. I'm going to have to purchase a new one, so that's gone as well. And the LA Colors Nude Glam. It's also, I'm using my project pan to reinstate odor products, try them out again, see if I still love them. If I don't, then I'm moving on. Same with these. These mascaras are actually really nice, but the brushes are so big I get it all over my eye, so these are on their way out as well because I no longer relish using them. This is just Ode. This is from like 2 project pans and I'm not going to use this anymore. I already bought a backup and I'm going to start using it. LA Colors Holographic Lip Gloss in Heavenly. I love this lip gloss, so that's why I bought another one. It's my favorite gloss. I'm not a big gloss person, but this has got to go. It's Ode. The L'Oreal Linear Intense Eyeliner. This is on its way out. It's drying up, and bye-bye. The last product that is going in the project pan is the Eyeshadow Studio Perfect Filter Face Primer. And we started here, and this is product on the sides that I cannot get out unless I cut the product, and I don't care. This was okay, a decent primer. I love the scent. Maybe repurchase in the future, but right now it's on its way out. 7 products down. We'll implement a few new items at the end. Lip balms. This is the Revlon Kiss Lip Balm. This is as far as it will go. You can see the plastic little container part. So this is close to being on its way out as well. The LA Colors Lip Scrub, and I'm going to be inserting pictures of the progress. So here's where this lip scrub is now. I still have the Milk Kush Mascara in, and the Believe Beauty Extend Mascara. These are still in the project pan. I have this Wet n Wild Rose Water Drop Primer, and the mark is still pretty much the same. I've used this once in the past couple months, and I'm just not the biggest fan, so I am gonna use it maybe 1 or 2 more times to determine whether I even want to keep it in here. I also have these shadow shields, which I forgot to use. The Eyeshadow Studio setting spray. The mark started here and we're down here. This is almost gone. It's almost gone. Same with the Hard Candy Soothing Calm Toner Refresher. I love this. I already have a backup. Where's the mark? We started here. We are here now. I think it's a little bit below that because I've been using it a lot. And this stuff is great. This stuff is great. The Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. It was absolutely full. This is a full product when I started, and we are down here now. So that's pretty good progress on that. It's the only concealer I've really been using. I have the Wet n Wild Eyeshadow Primer that is still in. I love this primer. We started here. We're down a little bit below this mark actually. I made these marks a week or so ago. Still have the NYX Pure Skin in here. And you can see a little bit of the pan. I'm not sure if that was like that at the beginning. I kind of forgot about this product. Otherwise, I think it would be more used up. I've been using this for brow highlight as well. So this is the Eyeshadow Studio Perfect Pressed Powder in Porcelain. And you can see a little bit more of this ring here coming out or being exposed. So we're making a little progress on this. It's just too light for my skin tone, so I use this as an all over powder. It's too light for that, so I've just been using it for brow balm. the Maybelline Eye Studio, and the only eyeshadow in this is that beautiful glittery silver shade, and I made very little to no progress on this because a lot of the products get shifted around and go to the bottom, especially these powder products. LA Colors highlighter palette in Wild Child, and mostly I'm focusing on this shade. You can see a little bit of the pan rings there, so that's good progress. And I did throw this LA Colors Show It Off blush and highlighter palette, and mostly to see if I still enjoyed the palette, and I absolutely do. I'm continuing to use it. Whether or not I hit pan on any of these or anything like that, it does not matter to me. I mostly wanted to put this in my project pan to test it out again and see if I like this still. So here's progress on that. I mean, I've made a little progress, but it's not like no pans or anything yet. Okay, and this is the last product progress I have to share with you, and it's the Rimmel Kate Blush Highlight and Bronzer Trio, and this is in Coral Glow, and I have most definitely made some progress on this product, and you can see more of the highlighter ring, you can see more of this pan line exposed, and a large dip in the blush. I use this all the time. It's so nice. It's getting harder to get the product out though on the highlight and the bronzer, but I love this product. I would definitely repurchase it and definitely recommend this. Now onto the products that I am adding in for the 7 products we took out. And here is something I got from like an Ipsy bag or something. Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. This is so nice. It's just a sample. Here are where we started, and we'll continue on. And I always forget about this product, but I really like it. It's the Milani Prep and Brighten Rose. And here is where we started. I have a new setting spray, and this is the e.l.f. Active Setting Spray. Here is our mark. I love this sprayer on this. Last but not least, I have 2 powders. The Hourglass powder, which is a sample, but it is really nice, and this thing is so full. And the last powder product is the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous, and this goes with the concealer. I used to love these 2 products, and I quit using them, but I had like backups of them, so it's just a powder. We're gonna see how far we can get with this. I don't even know if I like this powder very much anymore, so we'll see. I'm definitely liking the concealer still, but I'm on the fence about the powder, so we're gonna try that out. And that is Project Pan update number 2. So stay tuned for more updates, see our progress, and we're going to continue on with this rolling Project Pan. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links and the cards. So thank you guys so very much for watching.